Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about either you're disrupting the market or you're being disrupted. Y'all need to know. So first off, I've been in the insurance game for 15 years. I've seen a lot of things change. For example, all we were doing in the beginning was 100% mortgage protection, right? Then we were doing a bunch of final expense. Essentially, what we were selling was death insurance. So we sold a policy and we scared people into buying life insurance because when they died, their family needed coverage. Well, now you can see some of the trends and things are changing where it's not death insurance, it's what? Living benefits, right? So in the event of a stroke, heart attack, cancer, critical, chronic, terminal illness, they have coverage, right? So it's actually living benefits. Now it's even changing again. If you're paying attention to trends in the market, right now, everybody's talking about IULs, Index Universal Life, right? And they're talking about infinite banking. Guys, if you want to disrupt the market, here's what you want to do. You want to actually know what the heck you're talking about. Because there's a lot of people on social media, they're literally calling infinite banking IULs. They're saying they're the same exact thing. They are not. All you need to do to disrupt the market is educate yourself. Learn this stuff. If I'm telling you the truth, get a damn policy for yourself. Once you have an IUL, you'll understand how they work. You'll understand the power behind them. And then you can actually explain it to somebody without confusing the client. Does that make sense? Learn how to properly structure an IUL to where you're actually looking out for the client, giving them the best bang for their buck. Take your commission level down. Here's what's gonna happen. If you don't, they're gonna find out and you're gonna get smoked later. If you do take care of them, you're gonna get a bunch of referrals. Take the face amount of the policy down, take their cash value that's going into their bucket up, and they'll love you. Same thing when it comes to learning about infinite banking. You need to partner with somebody at the company that you're using, talk to them and figure out how you can structure these programs to take care of your clients. It will help you tremendously. This will be how you can start to disrupt the market. If you haven't noticed, a lot of agents are still scared to go into this stuff. So when you can actually make the transition and you can actually start doing IULs, doing infinite bankings, how about this, guys? How about stop stepping over dollars just to pick up pennies? What do I mean by that? Disrupt the market by asking more questions. How many life insurance policies are you selling right now a week, for example? But then think about this. Are you converting annuities? These same clients that you're sitting and talking to, you are not asking where the money is. You're not asking how you can protect them and help them out. See, most agents, they get excited over one policy. They sell an app and you know what they say? On to the next, they're fired up. They're not gonna service the client. They're not gonna take care of them. They're not gonna follow up with them. They're not gonna congratulate them once their policy is approved and they got it. They're not gonna follow up to get referrals and become their agent for life. These are all things that can set you apart from any other agent that's out there and how you can elevate yourself and start disrupting the market. Yo guys, been getting a ton of comments, questions. If you guys need anything whatsoever, the best way to reach me, text the number below. I got you. Now let's get back to the video. Another thing, if you want to disrupt the market, you're gonna have to start embracing innovation. So right now, for example, guys, if you're a life insurance agent and you're not using AI, you're completely dropping the ball. What I said was, hey, you know what? Life insurance agents that are using AI, there's no way the ones that are not using AI can keep up. It's virtually impossible. What can AI do for you? First off, it can do everything, well, most things better than us. Things that we don't even want to do. For example, imagine taking a pile of old leads and just uploading it in the system and letting the AI go through. You got all the low-hanging fruit that you were never gonna go back through and call these people. It was impossible. You also can have it start scheduling your appointments, having it reach out to people and book appointments for you. That changes the game. Imagine having 60 to 75% of your appointments booked for you before you even started your day. Would that change the way that your business looked? Would that change the amount of money that started hitting your bank account? How about this? Now that you've actually helped the client and they're your client for life, right? Now the follow-up, making a client feel special, having streamlined processes set up to enhance your customer experience. That's crazy. These are the things that we did before, but we're not the best at it. We can literally set times. Hey, 2 days after this policy, so you want this to go out. A week later, you want this to go out. This is when you want the thank you cards to go out. And all that can be set up with AI. If you're like a lot of people and you're kind of stuck in your ways and you're just comfortable, guys, get uncomfortable. Now is the time. It's 2024. You have to use AI to your advantage. The last thing I wanted to cover, and you being able to disrupt the market, would actually be understanding your customer pain points. So understand that in 2024, your clients from the past are not the clients from today. Clients are a lot smarter. Their pain points are different. You're gonna start meeting with people and talking to people. Again, they're not just thinking about if I die. They're thinking about generational wealth. They're thinking about how to put their family in a position where now they can be ahead. This is a different way of thinking. Part of the job's ours. The other job is to fix what other people are messing up because they don't still have a clue. They know they want more information. All you need to do is figure out what their pain points are. Let me break that down further. So for example, like you might get on the phone with somebody if you're not listening to them and you're just selling a regular life insurance policy. They're listening to it in one ear and out the other and thinking you're exactly the same like everybody else, just trying to sell them. Versus listening to somebody, hearing them talk about, well, hey, I want to get ahead. Or hey, this is what I had as a thought for me and my family. When I retire, this is what I want my life to look like. Ask better questions so you can get them to tell you exactly what their pain points are. And once you have their pain points, essentially their why for wanting to do this, you can actually set them up with a custom tailored program that will fit their needs. Guys, these 3 things will change the game for you. It will show you how you can dominate and disrupt the market in 2024. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, give me a like, share this video to anybody else that it might benefit. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'm always checking them out and I'll make another video to answer your questions. Subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.